Become an ultimate man. Homie, I'm not gonna just motivate you or get you hyped for 5 minutes. What I wanna do is remind you of that beast that's been sleeping inside you. Wake it up. Start waking up early and working on your dreams. Start becoming better. Homie, I know, and I relate to some of you. I used to work as a painter. I had to arrive on my shift at 7 a.m. every morning. This was when I was still starting this channel. So I would wake up at 4 a.m. every single day so I could still make content. Then, when I knocked off at 7 p.m., I would post and plan for the next morning. I did that for 6 months until things finally started hitting. And during that time, I also had major problems with my relationship. It was my lowest, but I prayed and asked God to give me strength. Sometimes I would just look up at the sky while I was painting and ask God to help me, because I couldn't do that forever. I never looked down on any job, but I knew very well I could be doing better. I had that grind. I had that hustle. Sounds familiar? Yes, because it's you too, homie. Your story might be different, but we're similar. The question is, will you decide to show up and become better? Will you decide to show up for yourself? You showed up for that girl when she was sad. You showed up when she needed money. You did everything, and she still never appreciated you. It's time to show up for yourself, homie. It's like a lion that forgot it's a lion. It keeps walking with the sheep, eating grass and living small, until one day it hears its own roar again and remembers what it was born to be. If this video hit you, drop your comments. Drop your own story. Drop your own motivations. Let's all help each other. Much love, fam. Keep going strong.